Are you having a retirement crisis, or do you not have your finances in order? That's the question, folks. You need to ask yourself. I've been licensed for the last decade, and I can't tell you how many times is we see the retirement goal, we have the focus, but we aren't structured correctly. And this is what I want to talk about today. When I talk about being structured correctly, many times you guys that have a retirement crisis is because poor planning, poor taxation, or not understanding how much you need. That's huge. First off, you need your FIN, the FIN, your financial independence number. How much money that you could live off of and you do not have to work again. Because remember, folks, the wealthy don't live off retirement. They live off the interest their retirement money makes. Meaning, if you have $1 million at 6%, you're getting paid out $60,000 a year. Things of that nature. The best thing you could do is literally take how much you make for the year, divide it, not times it, divide it by 0.06%, and that will give you a large number, which will be your financial independence number, your yearly income. So if you make $60,000 a year, divide that by 0.06%, that should equal $1 million. You see what I'm saying? So you need to figure out how much you need, then reverse engineer everything. And also figure out taxation. Do you want to pay taxes now, or do you want to pay taxes later? Do you have your money in tax advantage accounts? Do you have like your Roth 401ks, your Roth IRA? Do you have a fixed index annuity, some of these index accounts where you could actually have tax-free growth because you took care of all the taxation up front? You need to look into that, because most of the time, understand 54% of people who retire have to go back to work within 4 years. And that taxation takes a lot. Not planning takes a lot. Understand, folks, when Social Security and pensions first came out, the average life expectancy was 61 years old. That was back in the 1930s. Life expectancy was 61, retirement 65. Most people never hit retirement. And if they did, maybe for 2, 3, 4 years, they're on retirement income, then they're good to go. Switch that to now that most people are living into their 80s. So now you need to have enough for 15, 20 years. Do you have that plan in place, folks? Do you have supplemental income strategies? You need to understand supplemental income. All the income that you have, you're making $6,000 a month. You need to be able to supplement that. Have a little 401k, have your IRA, have your Social Security, have a pension, have your stocks, your real estate, all these little things. You're getting $1,000 here, $500 there, $1,200 here, another $1,000 there. Supplement all your income. So you need to look into that. How can you get lifetime income? How can you create your own personalized pension? One of the things you see on my channel, I talk about fixed index annuities, because annuities, they protect your principal. You never lose any funds. But the good thing is you could actually turn on lifetime income. So you could create your own personalized Social Security. So now that could be two streams. You have Social Security coming in, fixed index annuity coming in. You know you have X amount of dollars coming in guaranteed. That's how you start to supplement your income. So folks, your retirement crisis, it needs to sit down, figure out your FIN number first, how much money you need for retirement, reverse engineer it, see how you could get tax advantage strategies so your money could accumulate tax free, but then ultimately how to have guaranteed incomes. Social Security, your fixed index annuity, if you have real estate that you have that coming in, you need something to be coming in on a regular basis, because you're not in a retirement crisis. You just don't have your retirement set up correctly. Most people don't plan to fail. They just fail to plan. So I always say, ladies and gents, just here to drop a few cents. You're here to retire with Earl. Have a plan. You could go to my description. I have a free budget for you guys. Click on the link in the description. Also, click if you want to schedule a consultation and see how we could get you back on track to revert having a retirement crisis. Because most people have a retirement crisis because you just don't have a plan. And for those that are in the retirement red zone, 5 years before retirement, 5 years after retirement, make sure you really start planning everything. And I'll see you on the next one.